This video will show you the easiest way to create an addressed envelope in Microsoft Word. Click the Mailings tab. Click the Envelopes button. Enter a delivery address. Enter a return address. Click Options. A new window will open. Click the Envelope Options tab. Select the exact size of your envelope from the Envelope Size drop-down menu. Click the Printing Options tab. Select an envelope feed format. Click one of the visual representations of an envelope feeding into a printer. This is how you'll need to insert the envelope into the printer. Click OK. Insert the envelope into your printer. Make sure that you do this according to your chosen feed format. Click Print. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.